Please press the Yarbo logo button to activate and turn on the controller. The flashing of the Yarbo logo button indicates that the pairing process has been initiated. Please wait patiently until the Yarbo logo turns into a steady yellow light, indicating a successful connection. Please press and hold the select button for 3 seconds to connect the controller with Yarbo. Please wait until the controller vibrates to confirm taking over control Yarbo. Subsequently, we will hear Yarbo's broadcast, "Physical controller connected," signifying the controller successfully taking over Yarbo's control. Before moving any direction, please keep holding the airbay button to unlock the joysticks. A gentle reminder, the controller will automatically lock after 5 seconds of inactivity. While holding the airbay button, we can manipulate either the left joystick or right joystick to adjust the direction. Both joysticks can be utilized to rotate Yarbo in place and change its driving direction. Please press either of the joysticks to increase the moving speed for the Yarbo. To adjust the snow throwing direction, please press the left and right arrows buttons to rotate the snow chute. To increase the snow throwing distance, please press the up arrows button to move up the deflector. Conversely, to decrease the snow throwing distance, please press the down arrows button to move down the deflector. Please press the Y button to pitch up the snowblower module. And press the A button to pitch down the snowblower module. Please press the B button to turn on or off the front light of Yarbo. Please press the X button to turn on or off the light of Yarbo. Please press and hold the LT and RT buttons simultaneously to turn on the auger. To adjust the auger speed, please press the pound button while the auger is turned on. To rectify an overcurrent situation, press the select or start button simultaneously to clear the error. Press the select button and B button to turn off the controller. The access control will transfer from the controller to Yarbo itself.